vlog going now. Adrian booked this place called Kangaroo Island.
The kangaroo house.
Oh, the Kangaroo House. Apparently it's like a bed and breakfast place. My manager told me that there's this bar called Madrona that apparently is really good. It closes at 8, so I don't know if we'll make it or not. Otherwise, on TikTok I saw that there is this restaurant called New Leaf that's really good too.
When do they close?
I couldn't check because my phone died.
Would you rather do the bar?
I will look at photos of both places first and then decide.
Sure.
Oh my gosh, so cute! Is that a willow tree? Oh, so pretty. Close?
8. It's only 6:30 right now.
Nice. Moneyball.
Your vocabulary is now nonsense like me.
Just brain rot stuff.
What are you doing? Thinking. On my phone. Now, when I see people's vlogs and I see footage like that, I'm like, wait a second. I'm surprised you didn't like the ravioli that much.
No, because yours was really good.
I thought the ravioli was really good. You just always like my food.
I do.
If I had the ravioli, you'd be like,
Yeah, like your Mai Tai was good. Did you want one or 2 shots?
I was thinking like Domino's wings, but these are huge.
I know, right?
Just chill a bit and then make a flight plan and then head out.
Wow. Passenger princess at its finest.
But along our flight path here, we want to stop by, we'll go over Skagit, is overcast at 2,200 feet, meaning the clouds are at 2,200 feet. And we usually cruise at around 2,500 or 3,500, so that's too low for us. So we will wait a bit. It's supposed to get better in an hour or so. Yeah, we made it.
Nice job.
Thanks.